Hey gang, it's Ray Glasser on March 25th, 2025, and we're looking at a house that I first looked at way back in September of 2003 and then purchased about a month later. Well, I lived here until 2024 and I'm selling the house very soon, and I thought I would take one last look at my house on Thunderbird Drive in Mentor, Ohio. So let's go in and see what the house looks like. It's been pretty well cleaned out and see what's left. Here we go. Here's the living room, what's left of it. This couch we actually bought in Las Vegas back in 1994. This is the dining room with the pergo floor that we put in somewhere, I think, around 2010 or so. The kitchen, pretty well empty. I'm leaving all the appliances because I don't need them since I moved in with Paula because she has appliances. Here's what was a video room. This is an add-on family room that was added back in, I think, 1998 or so. Oh, I'm sorry, 1988, so it's not that old. Everything you see here is being left with the house. This is my old video rack and a recliner couch and some shelving I had, elliptical machine, computer desk, and a very old 1948 Dumont TV AM/FM phonograph that I've been trying to sell on eBay for quite a while without success, so it's staying with the house. There's a laundry room, a little closet over here, and inside this door is a somewhat new central air conditioning unit and furnace for the family room only. This only works with the add-on family room. A shot of the dining room. Here we have a hot water tank that was installed in January of 2023, I believe, so it's fairly new. The original furnace was over here, but since we had a problem with the furnace and some sewer gas coming in the house, it's gone, long gone, and there's now a furnace up in the attic. The hallway, and the main bathroom. Okay, here's the master bedroom. Here's a half bath off the master bedroom. This cabinet I'm keeping with the house, I don't need it. It's a big closet. Window air conditioner, which works very well. Here's a second bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom ranch. This futon is staying as well. I have no use for it. And the closet. And the third bedroom, which is pretty tiny. Everything in this room is staying. And a linen closet right here. and the view coming up from the bedrooms toward the kitchen. Might as well show the garage, which has a lot of stuff in there, most of which will probably be staying with the house. Always noise in this area, which I do not miss. Plenty of noise here. And that's the garage. We put the shelving up just after I moved in because at that time I was selling shoes on eBay full time. And these shelves held a lot of shoes, which I sold over the years. So that's a video tour from 6195 Thunderbird Drive in Mentor, my home for just over 20 years, and hopefully I'll be getting rid of this place fairly soon. See you later. Bye-bye.